One of the greatest things about my job is working with people. A lot of my farmers, some of them I've worked with for 20 years or more, and the changes to their properties over that time is just it's something that's hard to articulate without seeing it. My name's Gould and I'm an assessor with the Land for Wildlife. And one of my jobs is to meet people like Diana and Warwick who are here at Rocklily Wombats, and they have a lot of native bushland that they'd like to find out more about, but also how to manage it. The Land for Wildlife program is a national program, and in New South Wales it's run through the Community Environment Network. It's like a building block along with all the other blocks that make up the Great Eastern Ranges. Usually the first thing is to sit down and have a chat with the landholder and get a sense of what their vision is. So rather than sort of coming in and telling people what to do and how to do it, the idea is to build a level of trust on a sort of a personal level. And then we go and do a property inspection, and I do a species list of all the flora, talk to them about what wildlife inhabit the property, and then any issues that they're concerned with. And then they go on to a register which now has thousands of landholders on it, and they also get the lovely Land for Wildlife sign. So after the Black Summer bushfires, which affected huge parts of New South Wales, one of my jobs was to go and do assessments at about 50 bushfire affected properties. And what I noticed is the bushland that was in good condition, which is what we're trying to promote through Land for Wildlife more broadly, has regenerated beautifully. Being able to give them confidence reduced some of that trauma. In some cases it was even hugging dead trees and things, like a really deep social connection with people, and I found that to be more useful than just doing the assessments. The Land for Wildlife program is a really important entry-level way of landholders getting someone out to have a look at their property. The free assessment, the entry-level introduction, I guess, to conservation and wildlife habitat and bushland. And then that then feeds into other projects and programs that make up the Great Eastern Ranges initiative. The Great Eastern Ranges initiative is a much broader vision. It's at the landscape scale, so landscapes connected together all down the east coast of Australia. And Land for Wildlife is one of the components of that at the on-ground level. Ultimately, we're looking at connecting habitat at scale to save threatened species, to improve water quality, to improve biodiversity at the level where it makes a difference.